Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a meat recipe. It's called Majboosh meat, Middle Eastern traditional food. Normally they're served with dakus or musagga. It's called musagga. It means a thick meat marak. And the next video I will upload this musagga and meat marak. But today I'm going to show you a meat recipe. It's called Majboosh meat. That's very delicious food. Let's get started now, and I will tell you what are the ingredients needed for this recipe. I will show you step by step. One step, second step, third step. How to make the ashu, how to cook the meat, and how to cook the rice. Please stay tuned into my channel. If you are new to this video, if you're watching the video newly, please subscribe to my channel. And let's get started now. For the majboosh meat, to making ashu, I've taken 3 onions, and the baharat will be cinnamon powder, masmark powder, and black pepper powder. Taken 25 grams of kishmish soaked in the water for about 1 hour. 250 grams of nakki and chana dal boiled with the salt. I kept the fry pan on the stove burner. Now I will add the onion without water and without oil. I will not put any oil. From the bottom, the brown color will come. That one I will bring it to the onion. The onion should be brown in color. Then I will put butter or ghee later. In another pot, I am cooking the sheep's head. Okay, this is the head. I put salt. I put baharat seeds, cardamom, bay leaf, and musmar. And this I will boil for 45 to 1 hour. Also added salt. In one more pot, I have taken liver, kidney, and heart. This same procedure of head. I'll put salt and garam masala like black pepper, masmark, and darsin, and boil it for around 10 minutes. Now you can see the brown color. Now I'll put 1 spoon of water, not oil. This color should come to the onion. The brown color, all the onion will become brown color. You see the color how it's coming. In this point, I will put some butter or ghee. Just mix this, but still the onion should become more brown. It's not yet ready now. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. The onions are ready now. I'll put the ashu. I'll put nakki dal, chana dal. Now the time to add baharat, spices, cinnamon, musmark, black pepper, and even I have taken the salt also. Now the ashu is ready now. I put the kishmish on the side because for one person I put kishmish because everyone will not like this dry grapes. For the meat boiling spices, I have taken around 1 kilo of onion, cut it into 4 pieces, and one whole garlic. And I have taken kusbara seeds, coriander seeds, and I have taken bay leaf and cinnamon around 10 to 15, and cardamom around 10. This is for the meat boiling spices. I have taken around 10 to 12 kilo of meat. Water is ready for boiling the meat. This step is very important in Majboosh Lahan. See, there is the blood marks of the meat. Remove all this. Then the clean water will be left over. So that remove this blood marks. This is the blood marks of the meat. So it should be removed all. At least for 10 minutes, you should stand near the burner and remove all the dirty marks or blood marks of the meat. Still it will come now. You can see, still it's come, the blood marks of the meat. I'll remove everything. Then the clean water will be remaining. Now almost the water is clear now. I've taken all the blood marks of the meat. Now I put all the baharat, onion, kuzbara, coriander seed, cinnamon, cardamom, garlic and ginger, everything I put together. And I will not add salt. After 1 hour, I'll add the salt. Now this meat will boil for 1.5 hours. 1 hour, 15 minutes. I will leave it as it is. Then I will check the salt. I will put the salt. Then I will check the meat cooked or not. It will cook. The meat will be cooked for 1.5 hours. Now I kept the liver and kidney and heart for boiling. I put bay leaf, cinnamon, musmar and salt also. This I will leave to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 1.5 hours, now the meat is cooked. Then I switch off the fire and kept it 15 minutes more to rest. Now I'm taking the meat out of the water, from the water. I've taken some saffron, I put the water and kept it for 1.5 hours. Now I put some rose water. I put some rose water to the saffron. Now I'll coat the meat with the saffron like this. The entire meat should coat the saffron. Now the spices, cinnamon, black pepper, cardamom and salt. Just few drops. Just sprinkle like this. Bas. Now I've taken the liver, kidney and the head of the sheep. This I'll put the saffron. Now I will sprinkle some the spices which I will put for a meat, cinnamon, black pepper and musmar and salt. See the head, I put saffron and the salt also. The meat in the oven now, I will give the meat in the oven for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Now taken the pot to prepare the rice. This is the meat stock. I will strain after boiling, after taking the meat out. I strain the water. There is only the water is left. There is no baharat in it. If the water still dusty or still some mark is there, if there is no clean water, I will add this water, yani clean water. This is the pot to prepare the rice. Now I will add some oil to the rice, oil to the pot. Around 1 onion. Fry the onion just for 1 minute. Now I will add the water. No need to change the color, only the translucent. No need to change the color. If you change the color, the rice color will come brown or something, it will come. So don't change the color. Majboosh meat is a white color rice. Now I add the water of the meat stock. Let it boil. When it boils, I put the cardamom powder. Now the water is boiling now, started to boil. I'll put the cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon. Now I'll add the rice. Now I put the rice. The water is 1 inch above the rice, not more than that. If you take 5 cups of rice, 10 cups of water. Now I'll cover the pot and leave it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Almost the rice has been done. Now I'll put the aluminum foil. I'll cover the pot with gasdir and I will keep under the heavy metal protection. You can see the meat also, it's already fried now. You can see the rice now. I put one side saffron. I kept some ash shoot, one more side. Now I will cover the pot and keep it under the heavy metal protection. बस एक मिनट के लिए. Now I'll scoop this ash shoot separate. ये दो तीन चार बस है ना.